Today, the White House said that President Obama may meet with Nelson Mandela's family when Mr. Obama visits South Africa 8 days from now. Mr. Obama calls Mandela one of his personal heroes. Mandela is 94 now and has been in the hospital for 2 weeks fighting a lung infection. The man who succeeded him as president, Thabo Mbeki, said Mandela's health is improving, and one of Mandela's grandsons said he expects him to be released soon. Correspondent Deborah Patta is in Pretoria, South Africa for us tonight. Deborah, they say he is improving. What's the information that you have?
What we're hearing, Scott, is completely at odds with statements from former South African President Thabo Mbeki. Our sources tell us that Nelson Mandela's kidney and liver is functioning at 50%, that he had to have a procedure to repair a bleeding ulcer and another one to insert a tube. We're told he hasn't opened his eyes for days, that he is unresponsive. And we also understand that Nelson Mandela's family is discussing just how much medical intervention is enough for a man who is old and clearly very sick.
And you've uncovered a great deal more about the night he was taken to the hospital. Tell us about that.
We now know that on that night, Scott, Nelson Mandela went into cardiac arrest and had to be resuscitated. He was then taken in a military ambulance to Pretoria from his Johannesburg home. During that journey, the vehicle broke down, and Nelson Mandela, very sick, had to wait on the side of the freeway in it for over 40 minutes before another one arrived. The South African government has confirmed that there was engine failure, but they say that great care was taken to ensure that his health was not compromised. However, cardiologists that we spoke to say that any delay, particularly at that age, could have had an impact on his condition.
Deborah Patta outside the hospital this evening. Deborah, thank you.